If your X, formerly Twitter account, suddenly feels invisible, your replies are not showing up, your posts are getting no reach, or your engagement has dropped hard, you may be dealing with a shadow ban or another form of visibility restriction. The good news is that in many cases, this can be fixed with a few simple steps and a little patience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a shadow ban on X, step by step, what to stop doing immediately, and how long it usually takes for the restrictions to lift. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the most important step is to stop all activity on the account for at least 48 to 72 hours. That means no posting, no reposting, no replying, and no liking. If your account has been triggering spam-like signals, continuing to use it aggressively can make the problem last longer. The goal here is to let the account cool down and show the platform that the behavior has stopped. Think of it like a reset period. During this time, resist the urge to test the account constantly because that can create more signals of suspicious activity. Just step back and give the account space. Next, go through your recent replies and remove anything that could be causing the restriction. Look for replies that contain repetitive links, too many hashtags, copy-pasted templates, or abusive and toxic language. These are all things that can trigger moderation systems or lower your visibility. If you've been sending the same message over and over, replying too quickly, or using the same promotional style across many posts, clean that up right away. Focus on making your account look more natural and human. If you've been using aggressive engagement tactics, now is the time to simplify your behavior. After that, understand the timeline. Shadow bans and visibility restrictions on X often lift automatically. Lighter restrictions, like reply deboosting, usually clear in about 2 to 4 days. More serious search bans can take anywhere from 3 to 14 days, depending on how severe the infraction was. So if you do everything right and your account still looks limited, don't panic. Sometimes the fix is simply time. The key is to avoid repeating the same behavior that caused the issue in the first place. While you're waiting, keep your account clean. Avoid mass following, mass unfollowing, rapid-fire replies, repeated hashtags, or link-heavy posts. When you start posting again, keep things slower and more natural. Use varied wording, fewer links, and only the hashtags you actually need. That helps rebuild trust with the platform and lowers the chance of getting restricted again. If you want to check whether things are improving, look at your replies, search visibility and engagement over the next several days. If your posts start appearing normally again and your replies become visible, that's a good sign the restriction is lifting. And if the account still seems limited after the expected window, continue staying off risky behavior and give it more time. The biggest takeaway is this: stop all activity, clean up any problematic replies, and wait for the restriction to expire naturally. In most cases, shadow bans are temporary, and with the right approach, your visibility will return. If this helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.